Hello everybody, my name is Ed Templar and today I've partnered up with Licked in order to bring you guys a tutorial on how to sound like Bane using Adobe Audition. So once we're in Adobe Audition, simply throw in the audio file that we want to affect, which I've done here.
You think darkness is your ally? I was born in it, molded by it. I didn't see the light till I was already a man.
That's my very cringy Tom Hardy Bane impression, but obviously it sounds nothing like Bane, but by the end of this tutorial video, it certainly will. So the first thing we're going to introduce is some of the distortion that Bane's mask gives him. So what we're going to do is we're going to head down to Special, and we're going to head to Guitar Suite. So the first thing we're going to want to do is uncheck the bypass compressor and change this amount to 100. Then we're going to uncheck bypass on the distortion and change this to 30. The last thing we're going to do is uncheck the bypass on amplifier and change this down to special effects glassy high end. Once that's done, it sounds like this.
You think darkness is your ally?
So this has given us a bit more of that robotic Bane muffled mask quality. The next thing we're going to do is we're actually going to add in more muffle. And the way we're going to do that is in filter and EQ with an FFT filter. Simply put a couple of dots here and then one here. And what we're going to do is we're going to lift up all these bass frequencies like that, which is now going to make him a more muffled sound, like this.
You think darkness is your ally?
So now all those low-end frequencies that are going to get muffled in a mask have now been pushed up. Now to process those extra lower frequencies, we're going to go to amplitude and compression and head down to multi-band compressor. Then go up to the presets at the top and just hit tighter bass. Now those bass frequencies are going to be a bit more controlled.
You think darkness is your ally?
That way it's still muffled, but now we're hearing some of the higher, harsher frequencies as well. Now to put the final bit of processing on this low-end muffle, we're going to go down to Special, we're going to go to Guitar Suite again, we're going to uncheck the bypass on the amp and change the box to a bass cabinet at about 50. And this will now sound like this.
You think darkness is your ally?
And what we've done there is we've really captured that low-end muffled boxy sound of Bane's mask with a little bit of distortion, and now we're done.
You think darkness is your ally? I was born in it, molded by it. I didn't see the light till I was already a man.
So using all these effects in Adobe Audition, we've managed to change our audio from this
You think darkness is your ally?
To this.
You think darkness is your ally? I was born in it, molded by it. I didn't see the light till I was already a man.
Now use these skills to go forth and become Gotham's reckoning. Thanks very much for watching this tutorial video, guys. If you did enjoy this, be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more of these. And if you enjoyed any of the music that you heard during these tutorials, be sure to head to the link in the description below to Licked in order to license any of this commercial music for your own videos. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care, bye-sies.